accident here. You got a 2-vehicle accident. One is in the roadway, and the other one is. You okay? Let's check over here. All right. Did you blow out your shock, or you're like you're gonna get hit from the rear? Yeah, you can't move at all. All right. Did you get into an accident with that vehicle? Oh, okay. All right. She can't move. She can move. She's gonna get hit from the rear. We got another car here that's literally in the way of the third lane. Let's see if this guy's okay.
Raleigh Engine 9, EMS 41, respiratory distress at 4030 Cardinal North Hill Street, number 107, at 4030 Cardinal North Hill Street, number 107, cross of Park at North Hill Street and St. Albans Drive, at Cardinal at North Hill Retirement Home, on channel at 13, map 49 Nora.
His transmission is blown out. Her car, how does that happen? You have a blown transmission, and then a lady that got her tire blown out in the same spot. Here's the tow truck. I don't know if it has something else on it. It's AAA right there, driving by. Let's see what we get. His transmission is blown out. That's crazy. I'm trying to see if I can help. I don't have a push bar. I can't push him off the side of the road, you know? Whoa! Icy, icy, icy. State Farm with their vehicle to help the disabled vehicle. And that's that. State Farm to the way! We were just listening to them, right? Oh, he broke down again. Even in a worse spot, too.
On 10 forward, it's going to be a dark green Honda Pilot, female subject. Still on the road with us. She's unable to move her car.
Yeah, he moved a couple hundred feet. Back to the rescue. State Farm.
1461 Lynn Road. Cross of Middleborough Drive and Leadmine Road at the steps. Map 38 Queens.
So you do have Raleigh police with a vehicle in a ditch. Vehicle is in the ditch. It looks like he slid off the highway and went Oh, it's a nice GMC. Tires blown out. Tires ripped out.
My spreader is not working to its fullest potential.
40 westbound, just past 270. Got a front left tire blown.
Worst person to stop right in the middle. No, you don't do that right there, lady. You move over to the. You're right up. Jesus Christ.
And this lady said she was over there on there, second and Norway. She was over there. I was gonna go to
the lady's literally scraping her window on the side of the road, like in the roadway. The Durham police just came out and said, we don't want anybody on the roads. Oh look, we got a vehicle in the ditch. Wow. Oh, you got another car accident. Oh no. You got a vehicle in the ditch right here. I should go check on them. Yeah, let's go check on them. Make sure they're okay. Alright. Durham doesn't want nobody on the roads. That doesn't have to be on the roads. Let's just see if this person's okay.
EMS from Quint, 11.
Go ahead for Mac 24.
Alright, Medic 24. We're on scene of a 77-year-old male, conscious breathing. History of AFib, diabetic, CHF. Basically, his complaint is weakness and shortness of breath this morning. Upon our arrival, he was satting at 63. We placed him on 3 liters per minute. He's 73 satting now. Pulse 88.
Is he coming out anymore on the Native Daniel?
Yeah, 76 right now. Climbing.
Edward, do you have a non-rebreather that you can move him to?
Yeah, we can.
Appreciate it. We're coming at our max available response speed, so we'll see you in about 10 minutes.
Alright, simple.
Well, the roads are fucking iced out right here, man. Let me see where we're at. This is what, I-40 westbound? You don't know where he's at, so doesn't know where he's at. So 240 westbound before the 293 exit. Oh yeah, he's I'm gonna find where the state trooper's like, what in the world? Wow, you see that? Return vehicle. I don't know where I'm gonna go with this. He like slid into the ditch. Oh, you know what? Perfect. Right here. I'm not gonna take you guys out of the car, but you guys can watch from right here. I'll mute it so this damn sound isn't, you know.
The 10 Kane going across the chest, going out to the left arm.
There he is.
Right.
Remember the car we helped out? He's still there.
Nitro,
Tell him to close this.
the left hand seat.
And you're out again. Hopefully that'll keep
Look
you
how
moving.
far you can see down this highway. Nobody in the left lane at all. This turns into 4 lanes, 4 to 5 lanes, and then it turns back to 3. But this is right by Gary. There's the traffic on the other side coming back towards me. I bet you worked all night, huh? Look at this, ice. All that white is ice. There's nobody, I'm telling you. Nobody driving in this left lane, I'm telling you that. It's all ice. I tell you now, if I get in that lane, I probably lose control.
Right, that's fine. That's a good call.
I made it back down. I'm waiting to carry false flag.
Oh, you got a car accident right here. Somebody's inside.
See,
I want to get into the show.
ED department, room 29, room 43.
Car accident right here, right into the guardrail. I don't want to sit here too long, but I'll take some video real quick.
Rich trucks online. Hey, boy.
There's a possible assault last night. Vitals are all stable, fully awake, alert, and oriented. With no further symptoms or concerns. We're about 5 out.
He's cool. He's waving me down.
10-4, thank you, Wade.
Somebody ran this man off the road, he said. Went right into the guardrail.
Rescue 11, District 9, EMS 62, EMS 68, Medic 91, MDT overturned at I-87 northbound and Hodge Road at I-87 Deer Hunter Court at 5520 Deer Hunter Court on channel Talk 13, map 108, Henry.
Durham police. Rolling through.